2009 Toyota Highlander. This is the hybrid edition with the push button start. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. Rather simple to do. Keep your foot off of the brake. Push your push button twice to turn the car on. And you're going to see your mileage come up. You're going to want to put that on trip A. So make sure you're on trip A there. And then shut the vehicle back off. Now it's going to be hard for me to do this and hold the camera at the same time, but what you're going to do is you're going to hold down on the little button that you use to move it to trip A. You're going to hold down on that while you turn the push button start on twice. Again, no foot on the brake. You just want to turn the car on, but not the engine. So you're going to hold down this button, hit the push button twice. And on this screen you will see a maintenance light come up and it'll start counting down. Once everything is counted down, you'll release the button and then shut the vehicle off. I'll try to do this the best I can on camera. So we're going to hold down the button, and as for this part I'm going to have to put the camera down for a second. Push start twice, and then when everything comes up you will see it counting down. Complete, and then it resets itself. You can let off the button. Didn't reset the trip, so that's good, and everything is good to go. Hope that helps.